I go outside a lot to deal with my anxiety. Having depression and anxiety make things so hard, especially when you're college or part-time job and trying to figure your life
Di po. Wala pa pong pasok eh.
out. Almost every day I question whether I make the right decision and if I'm doing okay. I'm starting to learn how to deal or live with depression and anxiety, but never is easy. I wish I just wish this would get easier to cope with it. Sometimes I'm feeling grumpy. I press myself on a walk or bike. But to myself, it's going to be okay soon.